is that I'm not doing nothing for clout. I don't even recognize clout.
So-called black ignorance is $1 trillion business. Trillions. If you could keep these people out here misidentifying as crayon colors, if you can keep them identifying with tribes, if you could keep them infighting, the U.S. corporation and all these little groups, they gonna make hand over fist bread every year because they don't come with no solutions. They just come with talking about problems. We all know the problems. They don't talk about solutions.
Keep hope alive.
They just keep hope alive. We need to stick together. If you got 100 people in a room and everybody in there is outside of law, you just got 100 people that's civil mortus gathered up in a room. All of them corpses. They all dead in a room. They just the walking dead. This is why nationality is the order of the day. See, people be thinking nationality is just a catchphrase. If it was just a catchphrase, why would it be right here in this document? If having a nationality was just a catchphrase, why is it in the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples? See, if it was just a catchphrase, why is it right here? Why in Article 3, indigenous peoples have the right to self-determination?
Oh, you lied to me. You lied to me.
By virtue of that right, they freely determine their political status and freely pursue their economic, social, and cultural development.
Tired of this shit! I ain't scared of you motherfuckers.
How come this ain't taught to none of our people? It ain't taught to our people because they want to keep all of the so-called money flowing in their pockets. Bing fucking bong.
All of these dudes are co-entwined and they share secrets, and this is the age of truth. And the truth doesn't need to be scared of the fact that people tell lies.